Welcome to Violette Hall, where forward-thinking students get ready for what's next. Whether you're studying business, psychology, education, data science, or math, this place is dedicated to building practical skills for your future. You'll likely attend a guest speaker or a club meeting in Violette Hall 1000, one of our largest lecture halls on campus. Or maybe you'll be in one of our computer labs to prep for that next exam. The vibe here is relaxed, collaborative, and genuinely supportive. Students hang out between classes, study together, and lean on each other when things get tough. And the professors? They're just steps away. It's easy to drop in for help or get real-world advice. Whether you're writing code, planning your student teaching, or diving into a research project, your future will grow brighter here in Violet. More than just classrooms, Violette Hall is where ideas take root, goals come into focus, and your community starts to feel like home. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of Truman, schedule your in-person campus tour today.